Seedance AI is the next generational video generation platform that excels in creating cinematic, fast to render, stylistically diverse videos from text or image prompts. So, on signing in, you would be credited with 10 credits, and one image to video generation would take you 5 credits. To use this, you just need to upload a image here and give it a prompt. This is the image, and this is the video generation title. And we need to select a model. So right now we are working with Seedance 1.0 Pro. You can also switch to Google VO3 and then select your ratio and the duration of the clip that you want and the resolution. And these are the finished results here. Next, we can also create videos via text. So here we also same way you need to give it a prompt and make sure you turn on the prompt enhancement option if you are giving very small prompts so that the results could be much better. Again, select the model that you want to choose. We're going for Seedance 1.0, and because this would take comparatively lesser time than the VO1, the VO would take 3 seconds, this would take 1 second as they say. And then select the ratio that you want the video to be generated in and the duration and the resolution. So we'll go for the least 5-second clip for 480p. So let's generate the video now. So this is our video. It's generated quite well, I'll say. So these are all the things that you can do using the Seedance tool. And here are some other examples of how you can create other kind of videos with the styles and the prompts. So let's now have a look at the pricings now. So a mini plan would cost you $18 per month on the yearly plan, and a standard plan would cost you $60 per month. So with that, have a happy creating.